Welcome back to the Everyday English channel. I'm Michelle, and this is episode 7 of our 30 Podcasts for Beginners series. Imagine this. You are talking to a native speaker. They are talking fast. They use words you have never heard before. Your mind goes blank. You just smile and nod, but you have no idea what they said. I know that feeling. I've been there too. Wow, it's so awkward, right? But don't worry, today I'm giving you a survival kit so you can handle that situation with confidence. But before we reveal these secrets, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support keeps me going every single day on this 30-day journey. Now, let's get started. So, what is the first step when you don't understand? Don't just stay silent. Speak up. But instead of using boring textbook sentences, we have much better ways to say it. Wow. Sometimes native speakers forget we are still learning and they talk like a racing car. In this situation, use these tips. Tip number 1. Sorry, could you slow down a bit, please? This is very polite. When you emphasize slow down, they will understand immediately that they need to brake a little. Tip number 2. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. This sounds so much more natural than just saying, I don't understand. It means you missed the information and want to hear it again. But sometimes speed isn't the problem. The problem is they use a very strange word that you've never seen in a book. So what should we do then? Don't be afraid to admit you don't know. It's the best way to learn. Try these. Tip number 3. What does that word mean? Simple, direct, and very effective. Tip number 4. Could you say that in another way, please? Haha, this is my favorite trick. When you ask them to say it in another way, they will use simpler words to explain it to you. That's very smart, right? What if you think you understood, but you want to be 100% sure you didn't make a mistake? Here is how you confirm the information. Tip number 5. So, do you mean that blah, blah, blah? Repeat what you think you heard after this phrase. If you are right, they will nod. If you are wrong, they will help you fix it. Tip number 6. Could you spell that for me, please? If it's a name or an address, ask them to spell it. This helps you avoid big mistakes. And now, as always, let's practice our shadowing technique so these phrases stay in your mind forever. Please repeat after me. Pay attention to the rhythm and the emotion in my voice. I'm sorry, I didn't catch that. Could you repeat, please? Sorry, what does that word mean? Could you say that in another way, please? You see, not understanding is not scary. The scariest thing is pretending to understand. Use this survival kit to make your conversations more comfortable. Homework for episode 7. Comment below one English word that you did not understand the first time you heard it. I am very curious to see your words. If this video was helpful, please give me a like and share it with your friends. Tomorrow in episode 8, we will learn something very interesting, how to give advice without being annoying. See you tomorrow. I'm Michelle from Everyday English Channel. Don't just learn English, live English. Goodbye.